Hey guys, it's me Shemai. Today I'm going to be making the Magic Mixer Maker. So let's get started. And here's the box. So I'm going to be making the Magic Mixer Maker. And I'm going to be showing you things it comes with. I'm not going to be showing you all of them. You'll see the rest of them throughout this video. So let's get started. Okay, so it comes with this mixer. You guys will be needing water for this. It comes with a couple of these things and packets all up. This is a brownie mix, and this is sprinkle mix, and then these are blue sprinkles and pink sprinkles, and then these are the pink frosting and brown frosting or icing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my sprinkle mix and cut it open and add it in my bowl. Ooh, really powdery. Oh my god, it has some mix. Okay. Oops, I shouldn't have did this before. Let's take it out so I can add it in. Ooh, that's a lot. Well, the cupcakes are getting ready. I'm gonna be making the brownie mix. I'm gonna cut it open. It's so chocolate. Let's add powder in here. Oh my god, there's a lot. Ooh, it smells so chocolatey. The last one smelled like vanilla. This one smells like chocolate. Rock it. Perfect. Okay guys, I'm back and look what I have here. I have the cupcakes. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put them on. And then I'm going to make my frosting. This circle, it turned out really nice. It turned out very nice too. Let's do the other ones. Look at the heart. And now I'm going to do the circle again. Okay. Let's wait for the brownie, but for now, let's make our icing. I'm going to be making the light pink icing. So, let's cut. Ooh, it smells like vanilla too. It smells like the first one. Look how pink it is. Okay, I'm gonna get it out. I forgot doing that again. Silly me. Okay guys, I am back and I have my American Girl, if I didn't show you last time. And she's gonna be testing my food. And this I have it in and it's flowered so pretty. I'm so excited to decorate them. For now, I have to get the chocolate. I have to make the chocolate. So here it is. Chop the icing. Cut, cut, cut. This time I'm gonna take it off before. I did cut it a little bit, but I'm gonna cut it a little bit bigger. Oops. Spill a little bit. I did some frosting, but I'm going to do some more. I'm just going to smooth this one out. Okay guys, I did it, and yeah, it turned out really nice. Now my favorite part, sprinkles. I'm going to cut it off. Not the best, but okay, let's cut that again. Oh my god, look at that pink. Look at that. I'm gonna be using some glue. It came with glue. Add some more pink to this like beautiful. This one's brownie and this one's my little cupcake. I took this cupcake. You like it? It's so good. She said she really likes that. It's so good. So if you like this video, see you next time. Bye!